Welcome to the third episode of the SVI Toyota Hilux Toughness Test. And one way to show the toughness during rollover is happening behind us. Hopefully this will never be your situation, but we will show the toughness of the SVI Stop Conversion to V6 Armoring Kit. And action! What a way to end the series of the SVI Toyota Hilux Toughness Test. We've subjected this vehicle to ballistic attack, to a riot attack, and even dropped it on its roof from a distance of 2 meters. And look where I'm sitting, in the cabin. It's still intact. It will still keep you safe. So if you've got a security company, you want to keep your guard safe, make sure they're inside a Toyota Hilux armored by the SVI V6 Stop Conversion 2 kit. For more information, visit SVI Engineering.